All you happy people out there, Andy Locklear coming to you live from the Atlantic Ocean. That's right, I'm down at the beach for a little rest and relaxation. And let me tell you something. I know everybody likes the beach, and I'm glad for y'all. But I've been out there for 20 minutes, and I'm sandblasted on the whole left side of my body. Why can't we pave this place? Put some concrete down. Sprinkle some water on the hot sand. Do something. And let me tell you something else. Next time you go bathing suit shopping, you really need to consider taking somebody with you that you trust to kind of help you through that process. See, you can't see behind you all the time. And I don't understand it. Some people just, I know you probably cheerleaded 35 years ago, but you got to understand the body going to change. It's going to change a lot. And some of you just need to, I don't know, take somebody you trust real good. It's just, you know, how does this look kind of thing. Anyway, this segment brought to you by Meemaw's Truck Stop, Bait and Tackle, and Funeral Parlor. It don't matter where you going, Meemaw's got you covered. Listen, y'all have a good day and enjoy.